exercise. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we're gonna go backwards this time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let's sing the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 3, 3, 3, 5, 5, 5, 3, 3, 3, 1, 1. Good. Now we're gonna put all the fingers on the piano. We're gonna start with the middle position. So middle position is going to be here. Now we're gonna start with thumb, which is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. 1, 3, 3, 3, 5, 5, 5, 3, 3, 3, 1, 1. You're going to repeat after me. 1, 3, 3, and you go 1, 3, 3, and then I go 3, 5, 5. You go 3, 5, 5, 5, 3, 3, 5, 3, 3, 3, 1, 1, 3, 1, 1. Good. Now left hand, we're gonna do the same, but this time we're starting with the pinky, which is 5. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now repeat after me. 5, 3, 3.